What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Man, it's been so long since I've said that. I haven't done a vlog like in a month. So today is Weenie Fest. We got our car ready. We have our GoPros on. We have all our stuff, our drinks, our other things. Yeah, car's ready. Let's go ahead. It's already warmed up. We're gonna head over to Valero's, get some E85, and then drive over to Weenie Fest. I'm gonna do a little like a roll-in intro type of thing with the GoPro. Let's see how it works. If I show it after this clip as an intro, you guys know it worked. If I didn't, then it didn't. So you guys enjoy the video. Don't go anywhere. I think he's got a collapsible. Yeah, he does. Sheesh.
Who painted these cars?
Fire.
Who painted them? Get your money back, bro. It's too wet.
Sheesh. Yo, you guys heard what that guy said? He asked him who painted the car, and it seemed like he was gonna talk shit about the paint. He goes, bro, turn that shit back. It's too wet. Yo, my nigga looks fire though. Fire. S15? S14. Sheesh. Yo, you guys, and then one thing that you guys have to fucking do that I learned from coming to these meets is you definitely need one of these. You need an ice chest. Make sure you bring plenty of water because it gets hot in this motherfucker. So this is the homie Shane's car. I try to feature him, but he so he doesn't want to. So we're gonna leave it at that. So this is his car. Alright guys, let's go ahead and look at these other ones. Yo, this guy got my wheels. Where are they the same fucking wheels? Yeah, they are. They got my wheels. Midori green, left-hand drive. Oh, what shifter is that? Damn, what the hell? I don't know what kind of fucking shifter that is. That's weird.
Look, but painted. That's base model, right?
This whole crew right here, Let me see. Starting from that EK. Oh shit! All the way down there. That red Altima, right there. Boom EK. Boom EK. GSR. We got RSX, the JDM front. HN. This is what I used to have. Ooh, with the Mugen conversion kit. Hey, you know who the owner is of that car? Shit, one of the cleanest coupes. This is the homie Shane. He doesn't want to be on video. I don't know why. He doesn't want to be famous. Shane, you don't want to be famous, bro?
Nah, man. I like to be myself.
Bro, this is yourself. You can just
Normal guy.
oh, as you can tell, he's getting nervous, Trevor. Hey Shane, so what's up, brother? You want to tell us about your car?
This is a regular 92 Honda Civic hatchback.
No, you're good, brother. You're good. All right. Look at this shit wet, my nigga. Look at this. Okay. Ooh, look at this blue right here. Look at this blue. God damn. K-Series GSR on TEs. It's like a 20. It's low.
Yeah.
Hey, where do you get it out there?
Fresno?
Yeah.
There's a spot.
Look, nah, this isn't the one from the show. See, I wouldn't mind this one winning because it put at least some effort into it. But that other one that won, nah, the other one's bullshit. The other one's trash. The EF case watch. Relocation for the battery back there. Custom bracket. Like a good spot. Evo Rega Masters. Right, Rega Masters? Hell yeah. Probably looks stock. Yeah, it's stock. Bet you it's got a stock motor. We got a Draggy over here on welds. Oh shit! It's got an AEM console. Damn, what the fuck? That's a K in there. It's a K turbo, pretty sure. Pretty sure it's a K turbo. It's gotta be a K turbo. There's no way it's not a K turbo. MFs? Spoon on MFs? What the fuck? No, there's no way. Bro, is this Kale Dogs? My nigga, this is Kale Dogs. That nigga's here? Bro, Kale Dog, the guy from Instagram who gives all those giveaways, I think he's here. Alright, we'll figure it out right
This
now.
guy was the one, and now my friend, his name is Jonathan.
Yeah.
And he's the one that's racing it with the H2V now.
Yeah.
And he's keeping the momentum with this car along.
How much power does it make?
It makes about, I think, 225
That's pretty good.
at like 180
Bro,
pounds
my
of torque,
fuck, my K only makes like fucking 10, 12 more than this. That's crazy. So it's fully built?
No,
It's not fully built?
stock motor on the E85.
Oh, okay.
Stock motor, stock H22.
Damn.
So this is the chassis right here. This thing's been on the chassis itself has been at FF Battles as well.
Yeah.
So this car's been
Jeez,
around.
fire. Hell yeah. Hey, Kel Dog. What's up, brother?
What's up?
How you doing, man? Alright, guys. This is Kel Dog on Instagram. Bro, OEM, spoon. Watch, I'm gonna show you guys what his he's got like a spoon steering wheel. Trip out. Watch. You guys see his steering wheel? fucking NSX one best of show. I don't mind these winning because they actually put work into it. And it was spoon calipers. Look at, I don't mind these winning. But when a stock car wins, nah, I hate that shit. Nah, stock car should not win. Let's talk. EK with a little bit of sun damage with some clean ass grams that I need and want. Maybe I don't need them, but I want them. Honda Fit? Yeah, I think it's a Fit.
I'll wear it right now. I love wieners.
Oh, I'll wear one. Alright, you guys, that's gonna be the end of this vlog. Hopefully you guys stuck through the whole thing. I think it's only gonna be like 15 minutes, or it probably is like 15 minutes from the looks of it. Honestly, I enjoyed Weenie Fest. It was a good turnout, good car show, a lot of good cars, not a lot of K-Series cars like I would have expected, but overall, for my first showing, it was good. Now, am I upset I didn't win anything? No. There were immaculate painted vehicles there. Maybe the interior was trash to my liking, but the paint, you can't fucking compare. You know what I'm saying? You cannot compare. Overall, the cars that I showed you guys were, in my opinion, some of the best ones there. Yeah, it was actually a good time. I don't know what show is next, but yeah, I keep telling you guys I have a date for the first autocross date. Nah, I don't know. I don't know. Maybe in the next month or two. Royce from LA, he wants to go to one, so maybe I'll do that. But for now, thank you guys for tuning in. And like always, keep your head up. We're in this together. I'll catch you guys on the next one.